Hello, this is a quick video introduction to the Ebook Central Database. First, make sure you're on the right page. It has to be St. Francis College page that's associated with Ebook Central. You'll see the St. Francis College logo. To make sure you're on the right page, go to the St. Francis College Library website, click on Ebook Collections, and then choose Ebook Central link. All right, let's do some searching. You can browse subjects. Okay, say you want to browse literature. You'll find 13,000 books, titles. That's literary criticism, the history of literature, analysis of books, etc., etc., etc. You can also limit it to the year published, or limit it to more subjects here. You can also search using the advanced search. Okay, in the advanced search, you can search by keyword, title, author, again, subject. You can also put a time range, ISBN, and many other options here. Let's do a very basic, straight ahead search for one word. Let's see if Ebook Central has any books on screenwriting. Okay, so what we do is we put the word screenwriting here, click on search. Okay, and we got 1,240 books on screenwriting. Notice that screenwriting is not limited to the title. Therefore, anywhere in the record the word screenwriting appears, the title of the book will come up. So if you don't want to sift through 1,240 titles, you can of course limit it to by the year published or by the subject. You can also limit it to a title search. Okay, for that you need to go to advanced search, click on the title, and type in screenwriting. So the title search, what it'll do is it'll search only for those books that have the word screenwriting in the title. Only those books will come up. All right, let's click on search. Now we have 5 books. You see the word screenwriting is in the title. Let's say you want to read only the books published in 2014. You limit it to that. Now we have 2 books. Now say you want to download this book. That's a full download. Download either to your computer, to your mobile device, or to your tablet. You can also read this book online. You can also look at the table of contents for this book, or you can add it to your bookshelf. To do all of this, you first have to sign in. Okay? When you click on sign in, on the sign in tab, it'll take you to the sign in screen. I'm already signed in here because I'm on campus right now. So now, once you sign in, then you can download the book or read it online or add it to your bookshelf. Let's say we want to download the book. Click on this, and it'll give you these options. You can download it to your laptop and desktop. You can download it to your iPhone or iPad. You can download it to your Android or Kindle Fire. It has to be a tablet. You cannot download the entire book to, say, Kindle Paperwhite. That won't work. It has to be a tablet or a mobile phone. Then you click on continue, and then you follow the prompts. If you have any questions, you can always contact me or any reference librarian on duty.